Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to get up to 1000 Naira airtime for free on this app. I'll be showing you how to get 1000 Naira airtime for free on this app. So we're gonna sign up. If you're already on this app, ensure you sign up with a new email. If you're already on this app, and make sure somebody refers you, so I'll be dropping my invite link in the description box and also in the comment section. So make sure you are referred by someone. Then if you're already on this app, ensure you get a new email address. So now we're going to sign up. I'm going to sign up right now. So I'll put my info, then request the verification code. So request the verification code. So if it's not going through, if you cannot receive a verification code from this app, all you're going to do is click on the Google icon below, then click on sign in with Google. So guys, right now we have successfully signed up. As you can see over here, the Google button is working. So right now you click on next, then click on sign up. So when you sign up right now, you're going to get 5000 Naira coupon. We are going to get 5000 Naira coupon. As you can see right now, I've logged in successfully. So you see, I've claimed this, and it's only exclusive for only new users. So right now I'm going to use it. So click on purchase airtime. So as you can see right here, I've claimed it, as you can see right now. So come over here, okay, click on wallet, and as you can see right here, we have gained 671 Naira. So click on pay bill. So guys, I've been trying to use the pay bill option, but it is not functioning. So what you're gonna do is, after claiming your free points, your 0.5 points, after claiming your 0.5 points, keep inviting friends to be able to use it to purchase airtime when they unlock it later. Continue using it to purchase airtime, continue inviting friends, and continue selling gift card to increase your points, so as to cash it out when they unlock the pay bill function. You can trade your gift card over here. When you trade your gift card, you also have rewards for trading gift card. As you can see over here, you can refer your friends and also earn money for doing so. So for anybody you refer, for each of your referral, you get 1000 Naira, and your friend will get 5000 Naira welcome bonus. So you can see over here, for any friend you invite, whether your friend trades gift card or not, for any friend you invite, you get 1000 Naira instantly, and keep accumulating earnings until they unlock the pay bill function. For now, the pay bill function is not working. It was working actually on my first account. It's no more functioning. So continue staking your earnings until they unlock the pay bill function. Then you can use it to purchase your airtime